Hey guys, welcome to Prime Beauty's page. Today we'll be doing microlinks. We added 18 to 20 inches to this beautiful bride's hair using Body Wave Microlink eye tips. With this bundle, it comes with 100 eye tips, so you'll need about 2 bundles to do a full head. My client has naturally curly hair, so she went to the Dominican salon and got a blowout so the texture can match the extension texture, which is fairly straight. Now let's get into this Microlink eye tip installation. There's Microlink installation and then there's Microlink eye tip installation. I am currently doing Microlink eye tip installation. This is not a braidless sew-in. There are no tracks and no wefts. All there is small pieces of extensions added to small pieces of your natural hair. It takes about 5 to 6 hours to do a full head eye tip installation. Eye tips could also be considered cold fusion. There is no heat used to attach the extensions to your hair. Instead of using heat or even braids to attach the extensions to your hair, we use silicone-lined beads. The beads are lined with silicone to protect your natural hair. Eye tips give you 360 full movement and a seamless finish. The purpose for the ponytail test is to assure that you can put your hair up into a ponytail without any extensions showing, completely seamless. Look how beautifully her natural hair blends in with the Microlink eye tips. This body wave is giving me life, and this is prior to it being styled. Hair can be purchased on primebeautyintl.com.